different ways of shaping your sourdough. I have included sample time schedules into each bake, okay? You can have a look and see. And there are lots of bubbles there so far. So, I'm using my bread lane. Okay. On it, and it will keep all our toppings in place. But I want to stretch out the center of it. Okay. That looks delicious. Okay, so it's nice and soft. Super quick sourdough. We're going to cut into it and see what it looks like in the inside, but it looks so nice. Okay. So there's lots of stretchiness there on it now, so we can give that a nice fold over, yeah?